What's up? It's your boy Okina, and you know I'm always doing random projects. Today we're going to be working on a Oriental Japanese sit-in style table. At least that's what I think it is. I got it for free from one of my coworkers. We're going to go ahead and sand it down, put a line of epoxy through it, make it look nice, and then stain it charcoal black. We'll see how much we can flip it for. It was for free, so anything is a profit. But I'm gonna see how much I can get away with. So stay tuned, stick through the crappy intro, and thanks for watching. For all those people who are saying, oh, your food's gonna get the gasoline on it, not if you let your charcoal whiten. Then there's no more gasoline, it burned it all off. So, don't crucify me. Woo! While that's burning, I'm gonna go ahead and move the table into this area, this general area, and then we'll get to sanding. Oh man, this ball heavy. Ooh. Oh no, my pants. I would recommend wearing pants you don't care about. Alright, I went ahead and put on some clothes that I usually do projects in. So, that's fucking hot. Look at that, all white. So that's what you want. I know it's not a tutorial about barbecuing, but some of y'all might need some pointers. No gasoline left in here, so don't worry about it. Just let your boy Okina, Daddy Okina you can call me, lay back. Enjoy the show. Let me show you how to barbecue. Real nice and slow. Well, that took a good minute, and the chicken's done, so it all worked out. So we're gonna go and put a line, like a river, all the way to the other side, and to signify, I guess, like, I don't know, chi or some some crap like that. And yeah, after that we'll go and fill it up with epoxy. I'm not sure which color yet, but we'll get there when we get there. Damn, that was a lot of dremeling, I guess. A lot of people might say, why don't you use a router? Well, I don't got a router, and this is my first time, so screw it. But we're gonna go ahead and mix up some epoxy and pour it in these cracks. After that, we're gonna wait 24 hours, let it dry, sand it down, and then stain the table. Okay, we got our epoxy ready right there. I'm gonna go ahead and put in some pigment. We went with the teal color. It looks kind of bluish online or on the camera, but this is teal. It's I guess magnetic, not magnetic, but sparkly. I don't know how to explain it. We want to put that in there, and then we'll go and pour our epoxy. Hey, Mamush. Well, anyways, the table is done. Well, the epoxy is done drying on the table. So I'm going to go ahead and sand that down. I'm going to see how that came out. I think it came out pretty good, but don't really know until it's all the way sanded down. Alright. Yeah, there ain't no way. This is a 320 sand, grit sandpaper. Probably gonna need like a 200 grit or something, cause it is not cutting through that, barely. All right, got a more coarse sander paper for the oval sander here, and yeah, we're gonna go and knock it down. That looks way better than expected, but what I'm gonna go ahead and do now is gonna go and stain the table, and then after that I'll go ahead and seal it. After the sealing, it should bring out the epoxy shine from there. Well, I came home real quick. Go ahead and check this out. It's finished drying, and you can see the grain. So it's dark enough right now. It got a charcoal look to it, and yeah, it looks perfect. And that river part, you can barely kind of see it. Well, you could still see it. It gives it some, some oomph. But I'm gonna go ahead and seal it, and the sealant might bring out more of that epoxy line. So we'll go ahead and see. But I'll go ahead and try that out right now. I'll do one coat now, see how it turns out, then maybe do another coat. But yeah, this is 2 coats of that charcoal ager, and yeah, came out fantastic. I know some my friends were saying that I should do the two-tone kind of thing, but I'm not really like I'm feeling it. It looks good, but it might be harder for someone to fit into their house, like into their layout, if it's two-toned. They might have to make it work with more things. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that black as well, so we don't run into that problem. Went ahead and sealed it up. Didn't happen to catch it on camera though, so that kind of sucks. But as you can see, the river thing comes out like way better now. It's gonna be drying over the next maybe hour or two, and we'll see how that turns out. Other than that, it's pretty protected now. For anyone who wants to eat on it or anything like that. Yeah, you can see the little river flow right there. It looks really nice. And I just went off of a whim on how to do this river thing. If you end up doing it, it's just make a river. Don't be too uniform with everything, and you'll be good. Well, the top's finished drying, and I was gonna test it out, but I actually left it out in the rain, and nothing happened to it. This is pretty good stuff. So what I'm gonna go and do now is work on the bottom part here and stain it all the same color. Hey guys, it's been a few days, or should I say like 2 weeks. And you know what? This table's been done for like I said, 2 weeks. Why am I repeating myself? But anyways, I wish I can show you a video of the full table. It's like it came out great. I'm really satisfied with it. I put some pictures of it before. I didn't stain the bottom because it doesn't need the bottom being stained. You're not looking under it. You're eating on top of it. But I have great news. Right when I put this on Facebook Market, my sister actually told me a weird coincidence that two of her friends are looking for a Japanese sitting table. And an update on that. I actually found this table, or someone hit me up on Facebook Market, and they told me that they know exactly what table this is. It is Japanese inspired, and you can sit at it, or you can use it as a really large coffee table. And the funny part is that, like, the only guy in San Antonio that wants it or like knew about it, um, like he hit me up. He saw it. He was looking for it. I'm not gonna sell it to him, unfortunately. My sister's friends want it, and I'm gonna give it to the best household that I think deserves it. But two people want it, and it's not as much as I thought it was. I got more satisfaction out of doing the project than actually, that I'm gonna get for selling it. Well, actually, I got it for free, so I'm gonna be selling it for about $300 to $400. And it's like that just shows you someone else's trash is another person's treasure. He was just gonna throw this away, but it came out great. Please look at the pictures. They don't do it justice, but I can't move it out of here right now. I'm in the middle of a huge project. So watch my future videos because something really big is coming up. Really big. I'm spending a lot of money on it, and it's hopefully going to be great for not just the channel, but I'm going to have to make a secondary channel in which partnershipping, or however the hell you say it, or am hosting. So keep an eye out for that. It's your boy Okina. Please subscribe. Please, please, please subscribe. Turn on that notification button. Like the video. And give it a thumbs up. The stuff's not cheap. And all that stuff will help me out. Leave a comment down below, because that's what helps out the most. It tells the YouTube algorithm, hey, this is what people are watching. Let's show it to other people. So, yet again, do all that stuff. Help your boy out. It's your boy Okina. I'll see you on the next video.